So I am walking, as you see. Had to leave my truck. I can't even tell you, man, how pissed off I am this morning. I just wanted to go get some coffee. And got a situation, so I'm walking. It's all good. You know, all I can do right now is just think about the times when they was harder than these. When I was in that cell, you know. I used to think I wasn't gonna get out that place, man. So being faced with these little problems right now, you know, I can overcome this. This is a stepping stone. I can work hard. I can sell something. I can do something to get this situation rectified. But you can't rectify anything once you're gone, and once they slam that hammer and give you some crazy numbers. So regardless of what you're going through, man, regardless of what the situation is, you see I'm walking right now. Ain't nobody on the streets, like nobody. And I'm still counting my blessings, man. It's all good. So in life, you just got to let it be what it is. Take it one day at a time, man, and just count your blessings. I can't say that I'm not angry. I'm not frustrated. I'm not irritated with the situation, but what can you do, you know? When life happens, you got to adjust yours, so that way you can get in line with life. All gone.